Hi, this short video is where we're going to get right into the nitty-gritty and start taking some actions. This is where we're going to start establishing your starting point. And the title of this video is How Many Plates Are You Spinning? So we're going to look at how many plates are you spinning. And the reason for that is because whenever I speak, I ask this question, and there's never less than 70% of people admit that they are spinning far too many plates. And why is that? Well, I think it's a fundamental way that we've started to work is that we're really busy. There's lots to do. And I know that's important, but one of the challenges with that is that we're hopping from thing to thing. We're jumping all over the place. And that's not great. I'm not a great fan of multitasking. I prefer to have a certain area to focus on, get a result, and then move on to the next, rather than dancing about all over the place. So what's the opposite of spinning far too many plates? Well, the opposite is focus. What happens when you focus? Well, when you focus, you can achieve so much more. When you get right in and get laser focused. For me, I got laser focused and I completed my MBA, which was really tough for me. When I got focused, I finished writing my book that I was going to do for quite some time. I got focused and I wrote the whole draft, if you like, in just 10 weeks. When I got focused, I completed my ultra distance triathlon. And with clients, I've seen guys' cash position improve by 433% when they focused. I've seen somebody develop their business results to improve them by 45% in just 4 months when they focused. And I've seen one guy get really focused on how he uses his time and see his time effectiveness improve by 20%. So the opposite of spinning far too many plates is focus. And I've got some actions for you now. So these actions are to get you to think about certain things. The first action is, how many plates are you spinning right now? I want you to list all the things that's going on, the different projects and that you're involved with. So we want to get a feeling for how many. We want to know what they are. The next thing I want you to look at when you look at how many they are they all mission critical? Are all these projects that you're involved with, are they all critical in you achieving success in your life or your business? And then if they're not mission critical, how many don't need to be done? How many could you get done by somebody else? You see, the key thing for us here is to find out how many plates are we spinning, are they taking us closer to where we want to be, and if they aren't, why is that? And what are the mission critical things we should be looking at? Which of all these plates are the ones that we should be focusing on? Because if you continue to go and chase bright blue butterflies, we're not going to become the very best version of you. You're not going to get there, you see. So work out how many, work out, are they actually critical or are they not? Do they need to be done or do they need to be done by you, or could you delegate them to somebody else? Get a really good feeling and then just dream for a short while, just a couple of minutes, and just imagine if you got focused and you didn't spin too many plates, you got really laser focused in where you want to get to, what could your life and business look like? All these actions are all identified in your workbook, so you can go across there now, get that section and start working through that action, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.